How to draw tulips, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making our flower pot towards the bottom of the page. Now at the end of our video, we're going to color our drawing together, so be sure to stick around. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting that button so that we can keep you updated on all the drawing tutorials just like this one. If we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Nice job! Next up, in the top center of our flower pot, we're going to begin to make the first tulip. Altogether, we will have 3 tulips, so now let's move slightly to the right and make the second tulip. Now finally, we're going to move over to the left hand side and make our third tulip. This is how to draw tulips. Thank you for watching on how to draw hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.